Quote, "We are in a strong financial position to execute against our vision," said Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse in a statement. Hey everybody, Matty here with Altcoin Buzz, TGIF, and happy Friday. Today we are talking all about Ripple, what it's about, what the use case is, and what purportedly prices it could reach in 2020 and beyond. We're also going to be discussing, don't forget about our giveaway tomorrow. We'll be talking about how you can get your hands on a CryptoTag Zeus starter kit. We will be announcing a winner in tomorrow's video. Stay tuned to the end of this video to make sure you have all the details on how you can enter. Before all that, however, let's take a snapshot look at the market. We are on coinmarketcap.com, up handsomely since yesterday, $194 billion right now, total market cap. That means we're up in terms of Bitcoin about 2.33% in the last 24 hours. The price right now sits at $7,328 and dominance rests at 68.4%. On altcoinbuzz.io, Ripple, the 2019 overview and 2020 in view article here by Rachel. Ripple reflects on surprising events in 2019 and predicts what's in stock for 2020. Now, it's no surprise that Ripple, currently taking a look at the latest price, it is down pretty significantly. XRP, and I'm talking about over the course of really the last couple of years or so, but sitting currently at 19 cents. So please keep that figure in mind. But that being said, Ripple feels good about the crypto space, and this episode includes discussions on the effect blockchain tech and crypto have had on global technology and what enthusiasts should inspect in 2020. As we step into 2020, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, believes that there will be more mergers between several different crypto initiatives. He said, quote, "You don't need 3,000 plus cryptocurrencies out there." And I totally agree with that sentiment. David Schwartz echoed this belief. He also added that for continued growth, crypto must provide workable solutions to real world issues. So stepping back for just a moment, if you're not familiar with Ripple at all, this is a good article for you on CryptoCoinTrade.com. It asks, what is Ripple, what is it useful for, and what are the Ripple competitors, as well as covering pros and cons and price predictions for the initiative. So essentially, it's a payment protocol based on the code first published back in 2012, designed as a globally shared settlement system for financial institutions such as commercial banks and payment service providers. The use case is relatively simple. As a SWIFT replacement, SWIFT as in the interbank money transfer infrastructure. So as a replacement for that, Ripple is much quicker and a much more efficient payment system for already established financial institutions. As you can imagine, Ripple has racked up a pretty impressive list of partnerships, which you can take a look at here. But getting on to likely what you're more interested in, the price predictions for 2020 and beyond. This article sums up nicely what CoinSwitch has done in terms of price predictions. We're going to look at them again in just a second, but they mention, CoinSwitch that is, that there are some notable upgrades which were implemented in 2019. Unfortunately, that didn't result in a whole lot of movement to the upside in terms of price. But regarding 2020, CoinSwitch, based on a series of third-party analyses, go for a more modest price prediction that XRP's average valuation around $1.40 or $1.50. Again, keeping in mind that currently it sits at 19 cents. So that $1.50 would still present growth due to the possibility that Ripple's partners, American Express and Lian Group, might be officially linked in order to complete Chinese card payments. That would be something. And then you have different sources with, surprise, surprise, different valuations and different predictions. Investing Haven suggests that Bitcoin could reach $20 based on fundamentals. I think they mean XRP here. However, XRP reaching $20, that's a bit of a long shot. I think that would require major growth across the entirety of the cryptocurrency market and all of the crypto market cap. However, nothing is impossible. Just take that with a grain of salt. Investing has Ripple reaching anywhere between 60 cents and $9 for 2020. And today, Ripple can reach $10 fueled by partnerships, which, as we previously saw, are very strong and are a major selling point in terms of this project. Speaking of CoinSwitch, as we just were, Ripple price prediction 2020, 2021, 22, 23, 25, and 30. Realistic XRP price predictions. This from way back last year on December 27th, 2019. 2019. So there's a lot of exposition here. Again, there is an explanation of what is Ripple, what can it be used for, and what are some of the best used cases. Their best price predictions here, to sum it all up, about $1.20 by the end of 2020. And again, that is a best case scenario. Ripple may open the market with a rate of 78 cents for 2020. That was not the case, unfortunately, and may reach until $1.10 in the middle of 2020. But again, they are calling for $1.20 by the end of 2020. So that means that we have to multiply the current price by about a factor of 6 or so, again, sitting at approximately 20 cents. Check out the rest of this article for their price predictions by the end of 2021, 23, and 2030, where there is apparently some quantitative metrics or data available to suggest that Ripple could reach as high as about $17 by the end of this decade that we've just entered. And I'm happy to report that Forbes just cannot get enough about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. They are discussing XRP and Ripple here with this article. 14 common misunderstandings about Ripple and XRP. This all the way back from March 7th of 2019, but it still holds up. It's a bit of an evergreen article. You can go through this. It's a longer piece, but 14 pretty nuanced points about the value of Ripple and XRP. Again, I always like to see this kind of reporting out of the likes of Forbes. It means they're taking the space more seriously. So you can kind of dive through these at your own pace and at your own leisure. But 14 misunderstandings, misconstruals perhaps, about what XRP really is and what it's used for and what its potential is. You can go through these and learn more about the project by absorbing this article. Here on CNBC.com, Ripple, which uses cryptocurrency for cross-border payments, is now valued at $10 billion. This from the 20th of December, a couple of weeks ago. And while that sounds impressive, we're going to see in just a moment that Ripple has lost a lot of its value and a lot of its market share, much more so versus the other top 10 crypto projects such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Quote, "We are in a strong financial position to execute against our vision," said Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse in a statement. "As others in the blockchain space have slowed their growth or even shut down, we have accelerated our momentum and industry leadership throughout 2019. While XRP rose in excess of $3 back in January 2018, the world's third largest digital currency has since pulled back significantly and currently sits at around 19 cents. And the crypto was up over 3% Friday on the back of Ripple's funding news. And that news is the following. Blockchain startup Ripple says it's raised $200 million in investment rounds, lifting its valuation to a huge $10 billion. And the fundraising was led by New York investment company Tetragon, Ripple said Friday, while Japan's SBI Holdings and Virginia-based venture capital firm Route 66 Ventures also invested. And look, don't get me wrong, that influx of $200 million is certainly impressive, but kind of zooming out a little bit, unfortunately, as CoinSpeaker frames it here, XRP is about to become the worst performing coin among top 10 cryptocurrencies in 2019. Don't forget, although it sits at 19 cents right now, Ripple was as high as almost $3.50. So it has fallen a long way. And believe me, I have no joy in reporting that, but it's just a fact. By the numbers, that's what happened. So despite the fact that XRP is actively used by Ripple in many of its solutions that are gaining popularity, it may become the worst performing major crypto in 2019. Not to end on a downer, so we won't cover this in too much detail, but if you want to get a better look at some of the numbers behind that headline, check out this article on coinspeaker.com. We'll link to it in the description below. That about wraps it up for today, everybody. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels and keep checking back into altcoinbuzz.io. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications if you've enjoyed this video. Our big giveaway is tomorrow on Saturday, January 4th. We are giving away a Crypto Tag Zeus starter kit. There will be a winner drawn at random. We're going to first select a video at random and then select a corresponding winner at random based on the comments. To be eligible, you must like all videos released since the last giveaway, since the last time we gave away randomly a crypto tag Zeus starter kit. You must also subscribe to Altcoin Buzz. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you comment, and hopefully you will be the winner. That about wraps it up for today. Best of luck if you choose to invest, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Have a great end of your week, a great Friday, and a great start to your weekend. As always, we do hope to see you again soon. Take care.